Ever felt an impulse to plunge into the universe of Adobe and its extensive array of products, but discouraged by the prerequisite of a credit card? Today might just be your fortunate day. A simple step-by-step process is about to unfold, enabling you to access trial versions of Adobe mandating a credit card. Intrigued? Let's get into it. The first step is to direct your way to the Adobe website. Look out for the Get Adobe tab and give it a click. Think of it as unlocking the gateway to a myriad of creative tools. A variety of Adobe products will be at display, but don't let it intimidate you. Your task now is to zero in on the product that piques your interest. Spot it, click on the Try for Free button. It's a way to communicate to Adobe that you're interested in a test run. You'll be landed onto a new page where, commonly, Adobe would require credit card details. Not this time, though, you won't be entering any card details. Your task is to find the Sign In option and click on it. It's like announcing, "I'm already part of the Adobe fraternity." You'll be directed to a login page. Here, instead of logging in, your task is to locate the Create Account option and click on it. It's equivalent to telling Adobe, "I'm fresh on the scene, let me get acquainted." On the account creation page, feed in the necessary details. Remember to keep it real. Once you've filled the required details, click on Create Account. It's a way of saying, "Suit up, Adobe, I'm charged up to explore." Post-account creation, Adobe will shepherd you back to the product page. Over here, click on Start Free Trial once more, and voila, you're in. Adobe initiates the download of the trial version of the product onto your device. In a nutshell, this is a simple step-by-step process to access Adobe trials devoid a credit card. To recap, direct yourself to Adobe's website, click on Get Adobe, find your preferred product, click on Try for Free, select Sign In, create a new account by feeding the necessary information, and lastly, kickstart your free trial. It's akin to embarking on a voyage of creative discovery unhindered by the common credit card hurdle. Enjoy your expedition into the Adobe cosmos.